I spent 100 hours finding the best Europe travel hacks. I'm about to show you 10 insane travel hacks that will literally save you thousands of dollars and hundreds of hours on your next trip to Europe. Most people get scammed on their first trip, overpaying for flights and food. But not you, not after this video. I've tested every single trick, flights, passes, secret restaurants. We'll break it down step by step before you even book. Skip every single line at the Louvre. Fly between countries for less than a pizza. Eat like a king without draining your account. Get ready. 10 minutes, 10 hacks. I'm your personal travel genius. I made the mistakes so you don't have to. Let's start with the biggest time saver. It's called a city pass, like having a VIP cheat code for a whole city. In Paris, you walk past hours of lines, scan and go straight in, hitting 3 to 4 attractions a day. Individual tickets add up fast. The pass slashes costs. In Rome, the Omnia card covers the big hitters in public transport. No brainer. Pro tip, check the inclusions, list your must-sees, and do the math. Some attractions need a time slot even with a pass. Book it. Don't get turned away. Plan for 3-4 paid sites, verify coverage, reserve, and skip an entire day of waiting. In Europe, flying is like taking a bus. I've bought tickets for $15, sometimes even $10. The catch is baggage. Show up non-compliant and you'll pay more than the fare. Win by mastering carry-on. Buy a bag that fits their tiny dimensions and pack essentials only. Be flexible. Use Google Flights or Skyscanner and search the whole month. Twos, Wed, Beat Fridays. Search incognito and check alternate airports. A 30,060 miles on Strumming shuttle can save $100. Eurail or Interrail feels romantic, but for most travelers, it's a pricey trap. Map your journeys and price them on national sites. Advanced fares in Italy or France are huge. Book early. Rome. Florence can be $20 instead of $90. Passes still need paid seat reservations, often $10 or $30. Those add up fast. Hack. Night trains. Sleep in Vienna. Wake in Venice. Save a day in a hotel night. Price trips first, compared to the pass, plus reservations. 9 times out of 10, tickets win. Use passes only when they actually save money and time. That's city passes, cheap flights, and rail, optimized. Next, buses, packing one backpack, and phone power moves. If you thought budget flights were cheap, buses are rock bottom. Same route, a fraction of the price, often $12–15. Modern coaches have outlets, Wi-Fi, and decent seats. Not luxury, but unbeatable value. Book early. First seats are $5–10. Last minute can hit $40, $50. As soon as you know your dates, lock it in and bank the savings. Biggest rookie mistake? Overpacking. Build a capsule wardrobe, 10–15 items that mix into dozens of outfits. Stick to neutrals for mains, add color with tees or a scarf. Skip cotton. Choose merino and synthetics. Light, wrinkle-resistant, fast dry. Mandatory, a packable waterproof jacket. Europe's weather flips fast. That all fits in a carry-on backpack. No baggage fees. Faster everywhere. Scan all documents. Save to cloud and offline. 5 minutes saves your trip. Download offline maps before you head out. City and trail. Use a currency converter. Track spending and translate on the fly. Phones die fast with maps and photos. Carry a good power bank every day. With backups, maps, and power, you're unstoppable. Big glossy photo menus near landmarks. Do not eat there. Follow the 3-block rule, leave the tourist zone. Look for set lunch menus, 2 or 3 courses, often with a drink, for 10 or 15s. Real cooking, incredible value. often same price as a sad tourist pizza. Read recent reviews from locals, look for authenticity, flavor, and value. Get a credit card with 0% foreign transaction fees. Non-negotiable. Use it for hotels, trains, nice dinners, save 3% instantly. Open a checking account that refunds ATM fees worldwide. Withdraw larger amounts less often to reduce fixed fees. Always choose local currency. Dynamic currency conversion is a hidden 5 to 10% ripoff. Carry a small emergency stash, separate from your wallet. Long trips or one-country stays. Local SIMs are crazy cheap, huge data for $15 to $20. Ensure your phone is unlocked before you go. Hopping countries? Get an eSIM, buy at home, scan, and you're online on landing. Keep your home number active while the eSIM runs your data. Land in Paris, fly to Rome, still connected. Feels like magic. Always compare all airports. Smaller ones can be cheaper and faster. Skip pricey airport expresses when a regional train or bus is a few euros more time. Running late? Pay $10 to save an hour. Worth it. Deplaning and ground transport eat time. Overestimate and stay relaxed. These small moves add up. Smooth trip instead of chaos. Ten hacks to transform your trip. Skip lines, fly for pizza money, pack one bag, eat like a local. This isn't just tips, it's a system to travel smarter, cheaper, better. Spend on experiences, not fees, not overpriced food, not lines. You're ready to travel like a pro. Go book that trip. If this helped, hit subscribe and tell me which hack you'll use first. Now get out there and explore.